How to find halfway point on Google Maps. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with this tutorial. Launch your Google Map application on your mobile device. Now in here, firstly search for your destination. Once your destination is pinned on your Google Maps, now go ahead and locate your pin for your current location. We will need that to measure the distance. Once you have located your pin, all you have to do is press and hold on to it, then head to Measure Distance. Now, just go ahead and trace the distance between your starting point and the ending point pin. Once you place the pin, notice the distance, that is 1.0 for me. Now, to locate the half point, return back to the half of it, then tap on Add Point option at the bottom of the page. Now once you tap on the Add Point option, you will notice a third dot. Once all the dot is assigned, you can head back from here. Then again press and hold on to your starting pin. Then again tap on Measure Distance. Now when you place this from the half point that we measured earlier, you will get the exact half of the total distance. As you can see right here, it is 0.5 out of 1.0. And that is how you can easily find the halfway point on Google Maps. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.